This is the Insta360 X4 and this is the Insta360 X5. Over the next few videos I'm going to be comparing the camera on both of these cameras. There are many different ways that you can film and edit with these Insta cameras. You can create a 360 degree immersive video where the viewer can spin the view around, or you can create a 360 video where the editor reframes the video to point wherever he wants. Or you can use just one of the lenses, a single lens mode at 4K, to record as if it was a GoPro or any standard camera. So in the next couple of videos I'll be making the 360 degree immersive videos. It'll be, one of them will be with the X4 and one of them will be the X5, two separate videos. But for this video I am going to use the single lens mode and record a 4K bit of footage from both cameras so that you can get a comparison and see what it looks like. The drone will be, the camera will be attached to a drone which will be flying in extremely high winds, but it's a Mavic 3 so it's fairly stable, and it will be a simple flight along the loops and then back. There will be no fancy scenery, it won't be a beautiful coastal video of Scotland or anything. It's just a pure comparison between the two cameras. So first of all, the Insta360 X4. And now the Insta360 X5. So did you notice any difference between the X4 and the X5? If you did, let me know what difference you saw. I'd be really keen to see what other people have seen, because obviously my opinion might be a bit biased one way or the other, and I'm not going to say which way. But so I'd like to get some independent opinions on if there are any noticeable differences and what those differences are. And in the end, if you summarise what one of these cameras you think has taken the best 4K footage from this video. And then on the 360 immersive videos, if you could comment letting me know which one of those you think is better. Once they're up, it will be maybe a few days before those are up.